Hi, good evening to all. Today we are in broadcast number 16 and it is about basic concept of place of supply under GST. Okay. Today we are not going to discuss about any provisions of the GST law. We are just going to understand the basic concept of place of supply. So first of all, before we go into the place of supply, we have to know why place of supply is very important under GST. For example, in pre-GST regime, we pay taxes like VAT, CST, and service tax and excise duty. VAT is the revenue to the state government. CST and service tax and excise duty is the revenue to the central government. Okay. It is a CG. This one is state government. For example, I took these four taxes for a comparison. Okay. So in GST, it is a revenue of a state government and central government also. Okay. So I'm not going to discuss about the UT. We may consider as a state government. Okay. So the GST is a combination of state revenue and central revenue. So this is the reason why place of supply is very important. Okay. So in pre-GST regime, the tax is payable on origin-based tax. So what is the origin-based tax? The origin-based tax means where the goods origin, that means where the goods produced, that state will get a revenue from the sale of the goods. Okay. So if it is an intrastate supply, if it is an intrastate, central government will get revenue. So in pre-GST regime, there is no class between the state government and central government. State collect VAT and other taxes. Central government collect service tax and excise duty and etc. But in GST, all are clubbed into one tax where central government and state government can collect money, and it is a revenue of the both central government and state government. So in GST, revenue is collected by way of CGST, SGST, and IGST. So we all know that. So CGST is the revenue of the state government, SGST is the revenue of the central government, IGST is the revenue of the both. If it is an intrastate supply, we have to declare CGST and SGST. 50% CGST will go to the central government, 50% SGST will go to the revenue of the state government. If it is an interstate supply, we have to declare the place of supply. If it is an interstate supply, IGST applicable, and we have to mention the proper place of supply. So this amount first will go to the central government, then based on a place of supply, the central government will distribute the 50% amount to the respective state. Okay. So for this purpose, the place of supply is very important in GST because GST is a destination-based consumption tax. The which state consume the goods or services will get the revenue. Okay. This is very simple concept. Okay. So where the goods are destined or where the consumption is happen, that state is eligible for the revenue. So in this case, place of supply is very important. So we will discuss brief in 3 examples. Okay. The first one is a registered person is in Punjab. These 3 polls are already posted in our attic and I have already given the answer, but still there are some confusion. So for the clarification, I issued this broadcast. Okay. So the first question is a registered person in Punjab. Okay. He has an immovable property in Tamil Nadu and he does not have any registration in Tamil Nadu. Okay. He has to issue tax invoice for the rental receipt. Assume that it is a commercial property. So in this case, what is the place of supply? What tax he has to collect in his tax invoice? So first understand that he is a registered person in Punjab. Okay. So the first one is he is registered in Punjab. Second one, the immovable property located in Tamil Nadu. Okay. So where the service, here it is a service, where the service is consumed in Tamil Nadu. Am I right? The renting of immovable property is a service. The property is located in Tamil Nadu. So the service consumed in Tamil Nadu. So the destination is Tamil Nadu. So the Tamil Nadu state should get revenue. Am I right? So in this case, so as I have already said, I'm not going to discuss anything about the provisions or sections about a place of supply. So it is only to understand the basic concept of place of supply. So Tamil Nadu is a eligible state to get the revenue. So which tax should be collected by the Punjab registered person? It should be IGST. So he should collect as IGST and mention place of supply as Tamil Nadu. Then only Tamil Nadu state will get the revenue. That's all. There is nothing to be discussed about. For example, you are saying immovable property is located in Tamil Nadu. Okay. So we have to collect CGST, AGST. If that means he could collect only CGST, it will go to the central government. He could only collect Punjab SGST. He cannot collect Tamil Nadu SGST. Hence, the only option available to him is a collect IGST and properly mention the place of supply as Tamil Nadu to carry forward the revenue to the Tamil Nadu government. Okay. So based on this principle only, the place of supply rules and sections are formed. Okay. I hope you could understand that, and we will see the next example. So the second example is seller is in Tamil Nadu, buyer is in Andhra Pradesh, goods delivered to Kerala. There is a 3-state involved. The first seller is in Tamil Nadu, buyer is in AP, goods delivered to Kerala. Okay. So what is the place of supply? So here, which state consumed the goods? So we could say simply Kerala is the goods delivered. We could say destination is Kerala. Since it is destined to Kerala, so the consumption also will be the state of Kerala. So the goods destined to Kerala and consumption is in the Kerala. So there is no doubt about it. So what tax he should charge in the invoice? There is no doubt. It is a interstate supply. Okay. So the buyer is Andhra Pradesh and goods delivered to Kerala. The seller is in Tamil Nadu. So anyhow, in all way, it is a interstate supply. Then we have to charge IGST. There is no doubt. So seller in Tamil Nadu has to charge IGST. So if he charge IGST and enter a place of supply as Kerala, what would happen? The Kerala state will get the revenue of the state. Am I right? The Kerala state will get the revenue, 50% of the revenue. So here what happen is it is a build to ship to method. The buyer inform his supplier to send the goods directly to his buyer. Am I right? This is the build to ship to method. So in this case, the buyer in Andhra Pradesh also raise tax invoice to the person located in Kerala because he is his buyer. So he has to issue IGST because it is an interstate supply. Andhra and Kerala is a different state. So it is an interstate supply. He has to issue IGST in his invoice and a place of supply as Kerala. So again, this revenue will go to the state of Kerala. So for a single goods, the Kerala state will get a double revenue. Am I right? So it is wrong now. Whether it is right, it is totally wrong. So if we do like this, the Andhra Pradesh lost its revenue. Am I right? Because Tamil Nadu has to, the seller has to issue invoice to the buyer in Andhra Pradesh. as a IGST and place of supply as Andhra Pradesh, then only that 50% tax will be go to Andhra Pradesh. Then a person in Andhra Pradesh will issue invoice to Kerala. So this is the proper way to allocate revenue to the state. Am I right? So this is the reason the person seller in Tamil Nadu has to issue invoice as a IGST. The place of supply is Andhra Pradesh because AP should get revenue of. Thereafter, the person in AP will raise invoice to Kerala as a IGST. He has to declare place of supply as Kerala. Then Kerala state will get the revenue. So this is the proper allocation. There is no other way. So based on this, place of supply provisions are formed in the GST law. Okay. So then the last question number 3 is about seller is in Tamil Nadu, buyer is in Andhra Pradesh, goods delivered to Tamil Nadu. So the same query here, seller is in TN, buyer is in AP, same concept. But goods delivered, the recipient is in Tamil Nadu. Here, what tax has to be declared? Again, most of the persons simply conclude that GST is a destination-based consumption tax. So goods destined to Tamil Nadu and goods consumed in Tamil Nadu, and the seller is in Tamil Nadu. Hence, CGST, SGST will applicable. Is it correct? It is totally wrong. Why it is wrong? Here, the Andhra Pradesh is losing the revenue, is losing the revenue. So, what is the right way to charge tax? First, we have to charge buyer is in Andhra Pradesh. So, it is an interstate supply. So, first we have to charge IGST to the buyer as a place of supply as AP. Hence, AP will get 50% of IGST. Then AP will issue another invoice to his buyer. So AP to TN, it is again IGST. Place of supply is Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu will get 50% of the revenue. That's all. It is very simple. It may be sometimes look like a confusing one, but the basic concept of place of supply is the revenue of the state should be allocated properly by way of issuing tax invoice or by declaring correct tax. So I hope you all understand the basic concept of place of supply. If you have any queries or if you still have a confusion, you may raise your hand or raise your query in a tick. I will explain once again. Okay. Thank you for the early birds who have already subscribed for the attic financial year 2025-26. So our offer end on 20th March 2025. Thereafter, price will be increased. So kindly subscribe before 20th March 2025. This is a kind request. So thank you all. The next broadcast will be about how to calculate interest on ITC wrong claimed and utilization. So we will meet shortly. Thank you all.